Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper on a 2007 Honda Odyssey. This, you have to replace the whole arm on these guys. You can't just buy the wiper blade or whatever. You can replace just the rubber, but that kind of sucks, and then the spring loses tension. It just sucks. Anyway, you're going to need a couple tools. You're going to need 10mm anything, and this little fancy puller. Some people call it like a battery post puller, but yeah, you can use it for these wipers as well. Okay, first we pop this plastic clip off. Just pry up, pull it down, set that down. Right there you have a 10mm nut. Get on there, and before I put the puller on there, this puller is hollow, so you're going to need to put this nut back on. Put it on a few threads. Don't just do like two, but get it almost all the way on, but you still want a gap. So now I'm going to set up the puller, and I'll show you how to take this off. Okay, the puller's on there. You just adjust this big knob out and back this one off until it can get around here. And then you just hold it down tight and tighten in this knob. And once you get this one tight, we're ready to crank it in, and it'll pop this arm off. There it goes. So I'm going to back off the puller, and that nut is all that's holding it on. So we'll just pop the nut off the rest of the way, and then you might have to bend this a little, and then that'll just come right off. So here's the wiper assembly. I had to assemble the arm to the blade. No big deal, just snaps in like any other wiper. So this is the brand I got, super cheapy, I'm sure. And the part number is right there. I'll try to leave a link, whatever. But so the first thing you're gonna probably want to do to make it easier is snap this back so that's bent, and then you just kind of align it on there, bend it back, and then set your wiper about where it was parked before. Mine parks a little high because of something with the gearbox. Don't worry about it. But as long as you get it where you're happy with it, then what's going to hold that on is that nut, and it's going to make its own splines. So you just thread on this nut. Make sure you start it by hand. And then you should probably tighten it by hand gently, but I'm just going to send her home with the little impact gun. You can see how this is flush now. It was kind of tilted. And I just give her a little ugga-dugga. And that's it. And also, this new wiper comes with a new trim piece. So then you just kind of snap that on, and you're all done. So it's definitely easier with the right tools. Make sure you get yourself this little puller. I'll try to leave a link for that too. And then that's it. Then you're good to go.